core system library is failing because of the Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before the technical guide for Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API, a foundational down-level shim that bridges modern system calls to legacy shell utility, shlwapi, routines, part of the compatibility layer for older 32-bit software on Windows 10 and 11. Its absence results in procedure entry point not found during software startup. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. api-ms-win-downlevel-shlwapi L110 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Remember that Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Win-Down-Level-Shell Lightweight API from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.